हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट टॉपिक इज़ द लेबर जो कि हम ओबीजी में पढ़ते हैं, जो कि फोर्थ ईयर का टॉपिक है। इसमें हम क्या क्या देखेंगे? डिफिनीशन, नॉर्मल, एबनॉर्मल लेबर, कॉजेज ऑफ ऑनसेट ऑफ लेबर, फॉल्स लेबर पेन, ट्रू लेबर पेन, स्टेजेस ऑफ लेबर, फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ फर्स्ट स्टेज, फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ सेकेंड लेबर, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ नॉर्मल लेबर, फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ थर्ड लेबर। तो फर्स्टली भी देखते हैं हम ऑफ दिस लेबर series of events that take place in the genital organ in efforts to expel the viable product of conception without of the womb through the vagina into the outer world called labor. ठीक है. It may come sorry. It may occur prior to the 37 completed weeks when it is called preterm labor. Delivery is expulsion or extraction of the viable fetus out of the womb. And normal labor कहते हैं eutosia. Labor is called normal if the fulfill of the following criteria: spontaneous in onset and at term, with vertex presentation without undue prolongation, natural termination with the minimal aids, without having any complication affecting the health of mother or baby. Abnormal labor को कहते हैं dystocia. Any deviation from the definition of the normal labor is called the abnormal labor. Date of onset of labor: it is the unpredictable foretell periodically the exact date of onset of labor. Calculation of the Nagili formulas is only the rough guide. Based on the formula, labor start approx on the expected date in 40%, 1 week on either side of 50%, 2 week of earlier and the first week of 80%, and the 42 weeks in 10%, at the 43 weeks plus in 4%. Causes of onset of labor: uterine distension, feto-placental contribution, estrogen, progesterone, prostaglandin, oxytocin, न्यूरोलॉजिकल फैक्टर. देखते हैं. हाइपोथैलेमस होता है, फीटल पिट्यूटरी होता है, ACTH वर्क करता है, जिसकी वजह से इन्फ्यूज़न कॉजेज द प्रीमेच्योर लेबर एंड फीटल एड्रेनलिन होता है. ठीक है. ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड प्लेसेंटा टोम होता है, ये सब होता है. ठीक है. एस्ट्रोजन increase the release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary, promote the synthesis of receptor of oxygen in the myometrium and decidua, accelerate the lysosome disintegration in amnion cells, resulting in increase the prostaglandin secretion, stimulate synthesis of myometrial contractile protein actinomyosin through the CAMP, increase the excitability of myometrial cell membrane. Progesterone increase the fetal production of epiandrosterone sulfate, जिसको DEHA एस भी बोलते हैं. एंड द कॉर्टिसोल इनहिबिट द कन्वर्जन ऑफ fetal progesterone to progesterone level therefore fall labor before the labor. It is alteration in the progesterone and progesterone ratio rather than the fall of the absolute concentration of progesterone is linked with the prostaglandin synthesis. Prostaglandin are the important factor which initiate the maintain the labor. The major site of synthesis of prostaglandin are the amnion, chorion, decidual cell and myometrium. Synthesis is triggered by the rising of estrogen level, glucocorticoid, mechanical stretching in the late pregnancy, increase the cytokines, infection, vaginal examination, separation and rupture of membrane. Oxytocin receptor are increased into the uterus with the onset of labor. Oxytocin promote the release of prostaglandin from the decidua. Oxytocin synthesis is increased in the decidua and in placenta. Vaginal examination and amniotomy cause a rise in the maternal plasma oxytocin level. Percussion reflex कहते हैं. न्यूरोलॉजिकल फैक्टर: both alpha and beta androgenic receptor are present in the myometrium. Estrogen causing the receptor and progesterone the beta receptors to function predominantly. The contractile response is initiated through the a receptor, a postganglionic nerve fiber in and around the cervix and the lower part of uterus. False labor pain features dull in nature, usually confined to the lower abdomen and groin, continuously unrelated by the hardening of uterus without any effect of dilation of cervix, usually relieved by medication. Pre-labor premonitory stage begins the primigravida 2 to 3 weeks before onset of labor, multigravida few days prior. Feature of pre-labor: lightening, cervical changes, appearance of fails pain. True labor: feature of true labor pain, painful uterine contraction, labor pain at the regular interval, contraction increase the intensity and duration, shows progressive effacement and dilation of cervix, form of the bag of water. Stage of labor: first stage of labor, second stage of labor, third stage of labor, and fourth stage of labor. First stage of labor: this is start from the onset of true labor pain and in with the dilation of cervix. It is in other word is cervical stage of labor. It is average duration is 12 hours in a primigravida and 6 hours in multigravida. There are two phases of the stage of labor: latent and active. Phases of first stage labor: latent phase is the time between the onset of labor 3 to 4 centimeter dilation and cervix become fully effaceted. It is usually lasts between the 3 and 8 hours, being the shortened in the multiporous omen. The second phase is the active stage and the describe the time between the end and latent phase 3 to 4 centimeter dilation, full dilation 10 centimeter. It is also variable in length, usually lasting between 2 to 6 hours. Again, it is a shorter with the multiporous omen. During active phase, cervical dilation during this active phase usually occurs at 1 centimeter per hour or more